In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the font size in TradingView 2025 easily, whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out. Being comfortable with your viewing experience is essential, and adjusting the font size can help you achieve that. Let's walk through the process step by step to make sure you can tailor your chart view to meet your preferences. The first thing you need to do is go to your chart on TradingView. This might sound straightforward, but knowing where to start is always a good first step. Simply log into your TradingView account and navigate to the chart you wish to adjust. Take a moment to look over it and set any indicators or tools you typically use. Once you have your chart open, the next step is to click on the settings icon. You should find this in the upper corner of your chart, typically resembling a gear or cogwheel. Clicking this icon will open a menu that holds a variety of customization options. It's a powerful tool that lets you adjust nearly everything you see on your screen, so feel free to explore these settings and menus when you have time. After you've accessed the settings menu, the next task is to click on the selection labeled as Canvas. This section of the settings is specifically designed for you to adjust the visual components of your chart, including the grid, background, and yes, the font size. Opening this not only allows you to change your font, but can also lead you to other customization options that you might find useful down the road. Now, here's where you can directly impact your chart's visibility. Within the Canvas settings, you'll be presented with options for the font size. Here's your chance to experiment a little. See which font size feels comfortable for your eyes and suits the way you analyze data. Whether you find a larger font helps you focus better or a smaller one gives you a broader view of the data, choose what suits you best. Once you've selected the ideal font size, go ahead and click OK to finalize your decision. This step confirms and applies your new settings, which should take effect immediately. It's always worth double-checking your entire setup to ensure everything has adjusted accordingly and that you're satisfied with how it looks. As we wrap up, remember that customizing your TradingView setup is more than just an aesthetic choice. It's about functionality and comfort, ensuring you're working in an environment that supports your trading habits and helps reduce any visual strain caused by prolonged screen time. Adjusting the font size is a small change that can have a big impact on your trading experience. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Thank you for watching and happy trading.